Hey guys, it's me again with another video. Today we're diving into the world of calisthenics, and let me tell you, this stuff is a game changer. Calisthenics is all about using your own body weight for resistance training. That means no fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships, just you, your body, and your determination. One of the coolest things about calisthenics is that you can do it literally anywhere. At home, in the park, on vacation, the possibilities are endless. No more excuses about not having time to hit the gym. With calisthenics, your gym is wherever you are. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 killer calisthenics exercises that target every muscle group and will have you feeling strong, confident, and ready to conquer the world. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First up, we've got the classic push-up. This exercise is a total powerhouse, working your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core all at once. Plus, there are so many variations to keep things interesting and challenge yourself as you get stronger. To do a standard push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line from head to toe. Then, lower your body down by bending your elbows until your chest touches the floor. Make sure to keep your core engaged the whole time to protect your lower back. Once your chest grazes the floor, push back up to the starting position, straightening your arms completely. Now, if you're new to push-ups, you can modify them by doing them against a wall or on your knees, and if you're feeling extra strong, you can try diamond push-ups, decline push-ups, or even one-arm push-ups. The key is to find a variation that challenges you without compromising your form. Remember, quality over quantity always wins in the fitness game. Trust me, incorporating push-ups into your routine will have your upper body looking and feeling amazing in no time. So, don't be afraid to push yourself, but always listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Let's move on to another all-star exercise, the squat. This bad boy is the king of lower body exercises, working your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and even your core. Plus, squats are amazing for improving your mobility, balance, and overall athleticism. To perform a proper squat, stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your chest up, core engaged, and back straight throughout the entire movement. Now imagine you're sitting back into a chair as you lower your hips down towards the ground. Keep your weight in your heels and make sure your knees track over your toes. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Once you've reached the bottom of the squat, drive through your heels to push yourself back up to the starting position. Remember to keep your core tight and back straight throughout the entire movement. Just like push-ups, there are tons of squat variations to spice things up. You can try jump squats for an explosive challenge, sumo squats to target your inner thighs, or pistol squats if you're feeling extra adventurous. No matter your fitness level, there's a squat variation out there for you. So, don't skip leg day, my friends. Incorporate squats into your routine and watch your lower body transform. You'll thank me later. Now let's talk about planks. This exercise may look simple, but trust me, it's a killer core workout. Planks are amazing for strengthening your abs, obliques, lower back, and even your shoulders and glutes. A strong core is essential for pretty much everything, from improving your posture to preventing injuries. To get into a plank position, start on your hands and knees. Then step your feet back one at a time, coming into a push-up position. The key here is to keep your body in a perfectly straight line from head to toe. Imagine your body as a plank of wood, hence the name. Engage your core, tuck your tailbone slightly under, and make sure your hips don't sag towards the floor. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining good form. If you're new to planks, start by holding for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. You can also modify planks by doing them on your forearms instead of your hands. For those of you who want an extra challenge, try lifting one leg or arm off the ground while holding the plank. You can even try plank jacks, bringing your feet in and out like you're doing a jumping jack. Planks are super versatile, so get creative and find what works for you. Adding planks to your routine will not only sculpt your midsection but also improve your balance and stability. So embrace the plank, my friends, and unleash your inner superhero core strength. Next up, we're targeting those legs and glutes with lunges. This exercise is fantastic for building lower body strength and power while also improving your balance and coordination. To do a lunge, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with your right foot and lower your body down until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle and your back knee is hovering just above the ground. Keep your chest up, core engaged, and back straight throughout the movement. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Aim for 10 to 12 reps on each leg. Lunges are another exercise with endless variations. You can try walking lunges, reverse lunges, lateral lunges, or even add weights for an extra challenge. Incorporating lunges into your routine will not only sculpt your legs and glutes, but also improve your athleticism and make everyday movements feel easier. So step into those lunges and feel the burn. Last but certainly not least, we have the burpee, the exercise that everyone loves to hate. Burpees are the ultimate full-body exercise, working your chest, shoulders, triceps, back, core, legs, and glutes all at once. They're also a fantastic cardio workout, getting your heart rate up and burning tons of calories. To perform a burpee, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body down into a squat position and place your hands on the ground in front of you. Kick your feet back into a plank position, then do a push-up. Immediately jump your feet back up to your hands, coming into a squat position. Finally explode upwards into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. That's one rep. Burpees are definitely challenging, but they're also incredibly effective. If you're new to burpees, start with a modified version by stepping your feet back and forth instead of jumping. You can also skip the push-up at first. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the number of reps or try different burpee variations like burpee box jumps or burpee pull-ups. Burpees are a great way to challenge yourself both physically and mentally. So, next time you're looking for a full-body blast, give burpees a try. You got this. So there you have it, guys. 5 killer calisthenics exercises that you can do anywhere, anytime. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results, so try incorporating these exercises into your routine a few times a week, and most importantly, have fun with it. Fitness should be enjoyable, so find what you love and stick with it. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself and push your limits, but always listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome fitness tips. And let me know in the comments below which exercise you're going to try first. Until next time, stay strong.